We'll guide you through how to automate tasks with Zapier apps. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Zapier website and log into your account. Once you're in, you need to locate the Zaps page from the dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. Click on Create Zap to start automating. You'll be prompted to choose a trigger app, which is the app that will start your workflow. This could be something like Gmail or Slack. Next, specify the trigger event. For example, if you choose Gmail, you might select New Email as your trigger. Then, connect your account by following the prompts to grant Zapier access. Once your trigger is set up, click Continue to set up your action. The Action app is what will respond to the trigger. So, if your trigger is a new email in Gmail, your action might be to create a task in Trello. Choose your Action app and specify the action event, like Create Card. Connect your Action app account just like you did with the Trigger app and set up how you want the action to perform. Make sure to map the fields correctly so the information flows seamlessly. After setting everything up, click Test and Review to make sure your Zap works as expected. If everything looks good, click Turn on Zap to activate your automation. And just like that, you've automated a task using Zapier. Keep in mind that you can always go back to edit or turn off your Zaps if needed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.